Hi there, I'm Sean Dillman. In this video series, I'll be sharing 7 tips and tricks on how to read faster. In fact, many of these techniques are tried and true methods that I've been working on for years and you won't see in any other videos. Keep watching. Tip number 1, use rapid serial presentation. Rapid serial presentation is a fancy way of saying that text is presented quickly, in sequence, in one place. The purpose of rapid serial presentation is to make it easier to read faster by reducing the need for you to scan with your eyes, reducing the need to move them left and right over words, and allow you to focus on one single place. Over long sessions, this can reduce eye strain and may help you read faster for longer. Rapid serial presentation software has started to become increasingly popular in recent years, and one of my favorite free resources is Accelerator, which can be found at www.accelerator.com. To demonstrate, I've pasted in some text that I want to read quickly. This is the first paragraph of the first chapter of the first Harry Potter book. This sentence contains 45 words. Assuming an average reading speed of 250 words per minute, it would take the average person about 10 seconds to read this. If I was going to read this text in the traditional way, I'd have it open in a book, scanning with my eyes from left to right, or in some kind of a word processor like Microsoft Word, or in a document reader like Adobe Acrobat or something similar. Using Accelerator and rapid serial presentation, all of the words are cycled through in the middle of the screen, and I don't have to look anywhere else. As you can see, the default setting in Accelerator is to cycle the words at 300 words per minute. But I'll click here where it says Settings and change the speed to 500 words per minute so that we'll be seeing the words at double the average reading speed. Now that I've made that change, I'll press the Read button again to show you the difference. For me, that speed works, and it allowed me to see all the words and comprehend the paragraph. Instead of it taking 10 seconds to read this paragraph, it will take only 5. And if we use this technique on text that took 1 hour to read, we could read it in 30 minutes, half the time, which is a very significant time saving. But if it seemed a little too fast for you, I encourage you to go into the settings screen and test out each of the settings so that you can suit it to your needs and preferences. For example, you can change the size of the text, how quickly the text scrolls by, and even how many words appear at a time. There are also additional settings at the bottom which can be used to slow down the pacing for larger chunks and speed up for smaller chunks to maintain an average speed. You can also add a slight pause at the ends of sentences and paragraphs. To make it easy to use and navigate, the developers of Accelerator have included simple keyboard shortcuts that you can see at the bottom of the screen. If you give Accelerator a try and you find that it works for you, I suggest that you use these keyboard shortcuts. For example, you can increase and decrease the reading speed by pressing the up and down arrows on your keyboard. For me, this is the easiest way to dial in the correct speed that works for me. Not too fast, not too slow, just right. So there you have it, my first tip on how to read faster. If you learned something new from this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Just click the subscribe button below this video. And now I'd like to turn it over to you. Is the tip in this video something that you've tried before? And if not, do you think that it may work for you and is something that you may try? Let me know by leaving a comment right now.